Have you been wondering where the Full Nerd Podcast is? Just sitting around waiting for the newest episode to appear on the PC World channel? Well, I'm excited to announce that the Full Nerd Podcast is now on its own YouTube channel. Now, if you go over to youtube.com/@the Full Nerd Podcast, then you can subscribe over there and get the newest episodes as they appear. We're still going to be streaming the podcast live on Tuesdays. We're still going to be uploading the audio version over on the feeds. We're still going to be cutting out clips of the funniest moments from the show and putting them on shorts. All that fun stuff. Nothing is changing about what we're doing. But instead of doing it on the PC World YouTube channel, now we're doing it all on its own brand new channel. Once again, go over to this link over here, somewhere over here, click on that, subscribe, and get your weekly fix of PC topics on the Full Nerd. And I want to thank all of our friends of the show for following us on this new channel and this new journey for the podcast. Thank you. I get it. We don't always have time to listen to 2 hours of podcasts of, Gordon ranting about panda bears and God knows what else.